I saw from the title we are going to be checking out random Monkey Blocks builds. So let's get right into it. Fudge, that transition was terrible. First, we got hide and seek. Yo, I don't want to walk this whole entire street out. Can we just like not? Yes, escape room, escape room, escape room, escape room, escape room, escape room.
Nothing is on my screen. There's nothing on my screen.
Let's see if you fall through the floor. Jump down. Okay, so it's not that goofy or glitch. They're not at work.
Those has loaded. Ah! Finger!
No, does out here work? Oh my god.
Can I rejoin?
No, come in.
My dear. What the fuck you darn missed it? Oh yeah. I think I might have accidentally grabbed the camera.
Does it say escape room right there? No, not in there. In here. Do you see anything out here? You do not see an escape room. Follow me. Let's see if she's just tweaking or if that's her VR. Hop up.
Why are you flying?
Oh, dang. It's her VR. She's not tweaking. Okay, come on. Yeah, reset your game. Your game. Well, while we do that, let's leave that and... Six, seven. Okay, come to Monkey Blocks straight away. Or I mean Cherry Blocks straight away.
There we go. Okay. Swear to God, if my car's being.
What games?
What? Okay, it's good now. It's good now.
Okay, one sec. Let me change back. My name was early minigames kid. Let's do it. Hi. That works. Okay, come on. Is this an escape room? Does it say escape room?
Yes. Ow!
Yeah. I think that was just your game. Okay, yep. It's not. Okay, yeah, it's fine.
Ah!
I just don't fall. Yo, I got so lucky.
There's a time thing. Do I?
No going back now.
Do
I've seen YouTuber do this. It was like somewhere over here, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, he said it was like one of these, I'm pretty sure. Okay, no. Yo, how do you get up there? Yo, I think there's like no going back.
I have an idea, but I doubt it's gonna work.
Like that?
Yeah, like, hold up. I think you have to run. What the? Oh yeah, I forgot you could do that. Ow!
Yeah, because I'm really good.
I just hit my fucking finger on the fucking wall.
Ooh, yeah, I don't think that's it. I checked up there, I saw nothing.
What? Okay,